Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to lesson 1 of Scratch programming. In this exciting journey, we will learn how to create stories, games, and animations using a fun program called Scratch. Scratch was developed by the world-famous MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, to help young people like you learn how to code creatively and with ease. To access Scratch, simply type the web address scratch.mit.edu into your browser. If you don't have an account, no problem. You can click on Join to sign up, or even click on Start Creating and you start creating immediately. If you already have an account, click on Sign In. They call me Mr. Data, but I am teacher Emmanuel from 1-to-1 Teaching and Learning Limited in Rwanda. I will be guiding you in this journey. When you log in for the first time, a tutorial window will appear. You can watch the short videos to get started, or simply close them if you want to explore on your own. Now, you will see the Scratch window, and let's go through its main features. First thing first, there is the stage area. This is where your animations or games play. For example, if your cat is dancing, you will see it here dancing on the stage area. Indeed, you have Sprite list. Sprites are the characters or objects in your project. They are the ones that you program to perform a certain activity. Example, you can add a cat, a ball, or even your own drawing from the Sprite list. Indeed, you have script area. This is where you build your code using colorful blocks. For example, you can drag a move 10 steps block to make your sprite move. Moreover, we have blocks palette. This one contains all the blocks used to code. Motion blocks, looks, sound, control, events, and more. For example, you can use Say Hello from the looks category to make your sprite speak. In addition, you have toolbar. This one contains tools like save, file, edit, and share, which means that you can save your project or name it there. Furthermore, you have green flag and red stop button. The green flag starts your program, whereby the red stop button stops it. This implies that when you click the green flag, then your animation begins. We also have costume tab, where you can change how your sprite looks. It means you can make your cat wear glasses or change the colors. We also have Sounds tab. With this one, you can add and edit sounds or voice recordings, which means that if you want your sprite to meow, clap, or play music, then the Sounds tab will help you. Now let's talk about the backdrop area. This one helps you to change the background scene of your project. Example, you can choose a jungle, city, or classroom background in your project. And that's it for lesson 1. In the next lesson, we'll create our first animated project. I hope you're ready to imagine, create, and code with me. I am teacher Emmanuel, but they call me Mr. Data, your guide in the world of Scratch. Brought to you by 1-to-1 Teaching and Learning Limited, your home of smart learning. Until we meet again, keep thinking about coding.